Welcome back, everybody. Have you been driving down the road and boom, your tire blows out? You're like, you pull off to the side, you think to yourself, no problem, I've got a spare tire in the back. Well, you go around back, you pull out your spare tire, and you didn't realize that it's flat. I know I'm like most of you out there who never check my spare tire. It's something that you just kind of forget about until you actually need to use it. It's not until you go to put on your spare tire and see that it's flat that you realize you could have used a product like this from Sunset Auto. This is their ShockFlo lightweight, portable yet powerful air compressor, fully rechargeable, and it also runs off of a DC power cord from your vehicle. In today's video, I'm going to go over what comes in the box, and along with how to use this and some of the features that it has to offer, and why you should carry one in your vehicle at all times as well. So let's take a look. This ShockFlo lightweight portable air compressor is from Sunset Auto. Inside the box comes with the user manual, one rechargeable LED air compressor. It includes one air hose, a Type-C charging cable, one 12-volt DC charging cable that can be used on your vehicle if your battery goes dead on your air compressor. And finally, we have 3 different types of attachments. You can inflate your balls, your inner tubes, or your floating rafts, and other items with these accessories that are included. This ShockFlo air compressor has a 4,500 milliamp hour battery, so enough power to inflate 4 tires on your vehicle. It can inflate up to 150 psi. Before using your ShockFlo air compressor for the first time, be sure and use the supplied charger that came with it and fully charge it. To charge it, simply plug it in to the C-type slot right here. When all 3 of these green dots are solid and none of them are flashing, the unit is fully charged and ready for use. To use this air compressor, press the power button on the back. This unit is pre-programmed already from the factory for a car or a SUV standard air pressures. You can cycle through PSI, bar, kPa, or kg. If you don't want to use the 2 pre-selected ones, you simply press the up or down arrows, set the PSI that you want, and then you hit the play button here to start the air compressor, and it'll inflate to whatever air pressure that you have the unit set at. For today's demonstration purposes, I'm going to be using my ATV. As you can see, it has a flat tire already. So let's go ahead and hook this up. First thing you want to do is connect one end of your included air hose to the back of the unit here. Attach the other one to your tire. Now go ahead and press the power button. The lowest setting that you're going to get is 5 psi's. Recommended tire pressure on this ATV is 3.5 to 5, so that should be good right there. After you have your tire pressure set, press the play button. And as you saw there, when it hit 5 psi, it shut itself off. The tire is now inflated fully and ready to be used. Not only is this unit great for inflating vehicle tires and ATV tires, but you can also inflate your child's basketballs, kickballs, footballs, whatever else they may have. We're going to use the included attachment for the balls. Place the needle into the ball, turn the unit on, turn the air pressure down to 10 psi, and then hit the play button. And now your kid's ball is ready for action. If you're the type of person who likes to travel a lot, or maybe you just drive a long distance for work, or you're hauling trailers a lot, and you don't want to be stuck on the side of the road broken down because of a flat tire, and you go to check your spare and it's also low on air, then you might be interested in checking out this portable air compressor from Sunset Auto. I'll place a link down in the description below where you can get yours. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.